Hey, it's Larry Gonzalez with your housing market update for the first couple days of January. Happy New Year, everybody. Pretty quiet this week. This will be a quick one. But we'll go over kind of the big three. Prices are up. We had a big report come out. Inventory's up. No change there. And then rates are down. That's right. We get a green arrow to the downside this week, and it's nothing to get too excited about it, but they're down a little bit. What do we got going on? Headline news: we had home prices continuing to climb, pending home sales surprise to the higher, and then unemployment claims are going down. Yes, a roller coaster ride that is unemployment. It's down this week. So let's get into the first big report. The Case-Shiller Home Price Index, the gold standard for home price appreciation across the country, showed another increase, 0.3%. That's seasonally adjusted. Actually, if you remove the seasonal adjustment, it was actually down 0.2%. But overall for the year, 3.6% for the year. So that's great news. 20 city index was pretty much the same, a little higher on the year-over-year increase, but it's still pretty good. So that's kind of where we're at on the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. This is for the month of October. We'll see what November and December looks like. I actually kind of think we might actually see a drop, which is pretty normal for this time of the year. All right, let's look at the pending home sales. Pending home sales, 2.2% increase. There was a 0.7% increase expected, so that's another good pending home sales report. That's 4 months in a row where the pending home sales index is up, and it's the highest at 79. It's the highest that we have seen since February of 2023, and sales are up 6.9% year over year. So that's great news. Just showing, hey, the housing market ain't going away. The housing market isn't crashing. Home sales are still happening. Really, it's just we just got to work on the affordability. I think sellers are coming around on the affordability piece. Initial jobless claims, nothing to talk about. Down 9,000 to 211,000 on the weekly initial claim. Continuing claims dropped 52,000. Down to 1.844. I always say this whenever we have a big increase in unemployment numbers. 1 week doth not make a trend, and this holds true again. The unemployment claims, continuing claims, they were up, over 100,000 a couple weeks ago, down 52,000. So once we get over that 1.9 million in continuing claims, it drops down, and that's kind of what happened this past week. So that's kind of where we stand on unemployment. Let's look at VA rates because we're all interested in that, right? From the December peak of 6.52, all right, if you follow that arrow down, yeah, they've gone down and up and down and up, but overall the trend has been down since December 19th, so almost 2 weeks. We're now at 6.42% for the year. This is as of 2 January. So, hey, that's not a lot, man. The rates are still high, but I like the trend, right? It's a trend down. So we'll see what happens there. Next week's a big week. We got jobs week, all right? So we got the ADP private sector employment. We have unemployment again. We have BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs report. So the first one of the year, this could be good. We'll see. But a big week next week in news. And so what does this all mean for us right now? Well, we got mortgage apps on Thursday. Thursday was a pretty big day as far as news goes. And mortgage apps were down bigly for the last 2 weeks, down 13% over the holidays. That's a lot, and now they're down 17% year over year. The refinances fell 36% over the same time, but they're still up 10% year over year. People are busy doing other things now. If they wanted to buy during the holiday season, they already got pre-approved. So that's kind of what we're seeing there. And in Oahu, we are still seeing a buyer's market, certainly on the west side of the island. Not a lot of inventory in Windward side and Kailua, Kaneohe, and even in Mililani, not a lot of single-family home inventory, but really a buyer's market throughout the rest of Oahu. Sellers, again, stay positive. We got to get through the next couple months, and like I said, last week, if I were selling a home, I probably wouldn't put my home on the market until March time frame, when you start seeing those PCS movers, those movers for the summer, start looking at their homes. So that's about all I have for you this week. I hope you have a great week. Hope you have a great New Year's week, a New Year's weekend, and wishing you all the best this year. All right, aloha.